Kiss your brain. Kiss your brain.
Looking up.
It's something you can do. Kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. When you feel proud of you.
Good job.
You've done something you've never done before. You're feeling good about it.
Ryan,
You
Daniel,
are
and William, can I see the
good
things you're
job,
making?
and you want to shout it. So kiss your brain.
Awesome, Brian.
Kiss your brain.
And Hillary.
It's something you
Sorry.
can do.
And what's it?
Kiss your
Diego.
brain. Kiss your brain. When you feel proud of you. You wrote a book all by yourself. You learned on the computer. You played checkers with your mom, and you beat her. So kiss your brain.
Brian
Kiss your
and
brain.
Diego.
It's something you can do. Kiss your brain.
Victoria and Ryan.
Kiss your brain. When you feel proud of you. You can kiss your brain 'cause you feel good. You can kiss your brain 'cause you're smart. You can kiss your brain 'cause you're learning. You can kiss your brain with a happy heart. So kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. It's something you can do. Kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. When you